If you want to check whether your Samsung Galaxy A56 original or not, so here are a couple ways of doing this. Let's start with the first one. So open up your phone and dial *#06#. In this menu, find your IMEI 1 and your serial number. Now grab your phone box and compare it with the numbers on your box. If they match, then congratulations, most likely that your phone is legit. Also, don't forget to flip over your phone. Here you'll find a sticker with IMEIs and serial number, once again compared with the one on your box. Also, you could do this by opening up your settings, scrolling down to About Phone tab, and here once again you can find your IMEI and your serial number. So don't forget to compare it with the ones on your box, right? The next thing what we can do is we can open up our phone application once again. Now let's dial *#0*#. We'll be put into this task menu, so go through this options, and if everything works correctly, it means that once again most likely your phone is legit. Also, do not forget to open up your camera and try out all of the options such as focusing, right? So on counterfeit phones, cameras will lack a lot of different options and it won't really work correctly. Also, don't forget to inspect your phone. Fakes will be made from cheaper materials. Usually they will be lighter because the materials are cheaper, and everything will not be sitting smoothly and tightly. So inspect your phone and decide on that. And also don't forget to buy your phone at proper certified places. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.